like that.
Hi guys, it's Lana here. Welcome back to Lana's Summertime. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another heatless hairstyle for you guys because you seemed to really like my last one and I really like making them, so let's go. So today's video, I am going to be I'm not making, who am I? Is this Blue Peter? What am I making? In today's video, I am going to be doing some banding, or like the banding method on my hair. So this video was actually inspired by you guys in the comments. I was seeing a lot about it and I decided I wanted to try it on my hair. I've actually never tried it before. I did a small hairstyle kind of like this a little while ago, but I've never done it like this. So I'm really excited. And I also just want to throw a little disclaimer out there. Sometimes I get some comments whenever I kind of discover something that's new to me and I try it on me for the first time. Sometimes I get comments like this isn't the first time that this has ever happened and that kind of thing, and I just wanted to like make it clear that like I know that it's not the first time that it's ever happened, but it's like the first time I'm doing it, that's all. So like forgive me if I ever seem like overly excited about something that you've seen a million times, but for me it's like it's probably new to me and I'm excited to try it out. So if you're like me, we're doing banding method today. What is it? How do we do it? I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna try it for myself for the first time and we're gonna get started. So if you guys like this video and you like heatless hairstyles on curly hair and natural hair kind of content on my channel, then please thumbs it up. Also hit subscribe, it's right down there. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss my uploads, and let's get into it. Okay, so my hair it's not freshly washed. I washed it a couple of days ago, so today I just wetted it. I went through it with conditioner, rinsed it out, and then applied some leave-in conditioner, so it's kind of co-washed, I guess. Oh no, I had that in for 5 minutes. I never use these things. So banding is literally where you take hair bands and you place them along your hair to help stretch your hair out or give you waves, or just in the hairstyle if you like the hairstyle. So the way that I'm going to be doing it today is for some waves, hopefully, and I will explain that a little bit further along in the video. So what are you going to need to do banding? First of all, you're going to need some hair ties or some hair bands. I actually have two types. I have these thick ones with a little bit of fabric over them, and I have mini hair elastics as well. I think I'm going to start with the mini hair elastics and see how I go, because I actually don't have that many of these ones. Surprise, surprise. And I feel like everyone has millions of these, but I actually don't have that many, so I don't think I can do my whole head, so I'm going to use the mini elastics. I've got a hairbrush. I'm using the ORS Smooth and Whole Pudding. No, this is not sponsored. I just really like it, okay? So like I said, I'm doing the banding for waves. So you don't need this if you're just trying to do the banding just for the banding hairstyle, but I'm going to use it so that I get better waves afterwards. It's really going to help to make them sleek, I hope. I've already used some leave-in conditioner. This one's from Pantene Gold Series. And then I just have some other little tools and bits and bobs, clipsy things. First of all, I'm going to section my hair off. Very important. Oh, look. My hair just does this naturally. When I breathe, my hair falls into a middle parting. When I was born, the doctor said, oh, that's a very straight middle parting you've got there. Okay, so we're sectioning. Wow, I cannot speak. Okay, so let's brush my hair out. I hope you're happy. I hope you're happy now. I think I'm gonna have a small section for the front. So I'm also taking this styling gel and I'm going to put that around the root, help keep everything smooth. I'm going to take some of the ORS Smooth and Whole Pudding. You can use any kind of holding pudding or holding gel that you want. You really don't have to use this one. I just keep mentioning it because I like it. I mean, like I said, this is the first time that I've done this. I think a lot of you maybe grew up with hairstyles like this. I think it's like a popular hairstyle with kids. But like I said, I didn't. I grew up with one hairstyle my whole life, and you literally just brush it like this. Just tie it like this. And then I'm going to tie it about an inch apart so that I have waves that are only an inch apart. Hopefully. I really hope this turns out. Okay, now I'm gonna split this in two again, like this. When they're getting a bit too far apart, they're not gonna have the right effect They're too far apart. The closer that you put the hair ties, the straighter the hair is going to be. So you could use this to almost completely stretch your hair out so that it looks almost straight by literally just putting hair ties back to back, one after the other. It's not going to look straight, it's probably going to look crimped or something like that. I don't know about it on my hair because I've never done it on my hair before. This is my first attempt ever. I think it's looking okay right now though. I think some of you might also remember the mini twists that I did. So a few of you guys did that with me, and then I also showed you how to take it down and to wash your hair after that. And it is really difficult because your hair gets really tangled with mini twists. So if you were wondering about this one as well, this one, as far as I can tell, is not going to get tangled at all because you're literally just stretching the hair out, like nothing's being wrapped around anything else. It's literally just stretching out. I think it's going to be so easy to detangle and wash your hair after this. I think we're going to have really nice flowy results. Okay, so we reached the halfway point. This side is completely done. I'm really happy with how it looks already. It was quite quick to do and really easy. So I'm just going to do this side. Please watch carefully and follow along. Let's go. Okay, so both sides are done and that was super easy. It's just like a little bit time consuming, but the actual process is really easy and I think anyone can do this. So then I'm taking some edge control to dot that on my edges. Gotta make this forehead smaller because I got a big forehead. I'm gonna take my little edge brush and it has a comb on the other end. I mean, I like these, they're good, but I was using a pink one and it literally snapped on like the second time that I used it. So yeah, they're just not made very well. They're a nice concept. Oh, and it's really sharp. Am I gonna use this side? Okay, so there you have it. Those are the banded things. I don't know what you call them. This is the banded hairstyle. I actually really like it. I feel kind of edgy, but also because it's kind of a hairstyle that kids wear, so I feel like, oh yeah, it's like cute because kids wear it, but I feel like I look like a video game character. Like
How you like that? You gon' like that?
So I'm gonna wear this only for one day because tomorrow I want to take it down and show you guys what the results are like. I wish that I could wear this for longer than that because this is so nice. Hi guys, so it's day 2 of this hairstyle. I told you I wasn't going to keep it in for long because I do have a shoot lined up, which means that I have to have my hair natural, which is a real shame because I really love this hairstyle. It's really cute. I haven't even been anywhere or anything. All I did was keep it in overnight, sadly. So before I jump into taking these out, I just wanted to show you guys quickly how I slept in these because whenever I do a hairstyle like this, I always get questions about how I slept. Was it uncomfortable? How did I preserve the style and that kind of thing? And the simple answer is a bonnet. Use a satin bonnet or a satin scarf. So I used this one and I'm pretty sure that I mean I honestly can't even remember because I didn't even think about it and it was so easy and comfortable and I honestly forgot that I even had these in. So I think that I just went like this, put my hair on top of my head like that. Literally just put my bonnet on like that and that is it. That's all you need to do. You go to sleep. As long as you didn't tie them too tightly, then it should be really comfortable. And I always sleep with my head on the side like this, and we don't actually, well, I don't actually have anything tied here because it's all tied upwards. Completely forgot that they were even in. However, what I will say is when I took these out, when I took this down, I actually had a whole bunch of snapped elastics that fell out with the bonnet. And I don't know whether that's a good or a bad thing. I mean, I personally think it's probably a good thing because I would prefer for these little elastics to snap than for my hair to snap. Like if there's so much tension and it's getting tight as my hair's sort of expanding and drying and it's suddenly too tight, I'd rather these gave way than my hair give way, you know, like, so I think that's a good thing. Yeah, it just means that I have a few pieces like this where there's like no elastics running the whole way through it, but it is what it is. Let's start taking these down. So I'm going to start on my bottom rows first. Let's just take them out. Oh, it's fluffy. I love to feel that release of tension when your hair comes down. And it's not exactly how I thought it was going to look at the end. I want to put that down to the Pantene Gold Series leave-in conditioner that I used. I think that that product has just made my hair go quite fluffy, whereas if I'd maybe used a different one then maybe it wouldn't be quite so fluffy. But I'm going to use some products now and see if we can, like, you know, calm this down a little bit. Like, I'm liking these waves and it is a nice stretched style. There's not going to be any tangles in here or anything. There's actually a lot of nice waves here. So this is my Pantene hydrating oil. I love to use a bit of that. Look at the shine that that gives. Cannot go wrong with that. Look at it. One of the best oils. I love using this to revive heatless hairstyles. Or heated hairstyles actually. Just to make sure that's not just sitting on the top layers. I'm just going to separate my hair a little bit and run that through. And then on top of that, I'm just going to spray some of the 12-in-1 leave-in spray. It helps frizz, it helps to preserve the style, it does it all. It's 12-in-1. So let's go, keep it far away. Okay, so there you have it. That is the stretched out style. This side obviously turned out better, so that's the side that I'm going to show you. This side was okay too, but obviously a lot of those elastics snapped, so I guess we didn't get the full effect. I don't know, or maybe it just didn't turn out as good. I don't know, but it's still stretched, still served its purpose, still fluffy, glossy, delightful, soft. I'm just going to ruffle up my roots a little bit. I should get the pick really to help separate these partings. It's going to look really funny if I keep these partings in my hair. I'm going to put my hair on this side because this is the side that turned out better. So when I flip it like this, it means that both sides can look good. Let me know what you think of this hair. I personally loved the banded hairstyle, and you know, I don't mind these results. I'm going to improve it next time. It's going to be even better next time. So that is it for today's video. Please thumbs it up if you enjoyed it or if you learned something. Also subscribe to my channel right here. Turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my uploads. Also get me on Instagram for all of the blessings and the breakdowns because I put it all on there. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!